Today we have 16-mile winds coming out of the east. So I have the Mavic 2 Pro. Hold on. I have the Mavic 2 Pro set and ready to go. So we're going to try some high winds. I did some preliminary testing yesterday in 13-mile winds, and I found a little bit of jittering going on when you're doing like lateral flight at almost maximum speed. I know part of that is because we don't have the ND filters yet, so you're shooting with a higher frame rate, so you're getting jelloing. And there's no way to avoid that, because to get proper exposure you have to shoot at like f9 and like 1/200th of a second. So DJI, please hurry up with those ND filters so we can bring those frame rates a little bit lower, and that'll eliminate a lot of the like the jelloing problems. But still, there was a little bit of like glitches and twitches or something, so I'm gonna test it out again today, and I'm gonna fly over the beach a little bit and over the ocean, and just kind of see if it flies any better. I'm going to do the calibration of the gimbal before I take off, and here's the footage. Here's how it looks. Thanks.